Hi guys, this is Tekavdi. I welcome you to the final phase of this video tutorial series on creating an image gallery with ASP.NET Core 2.1. In this video tutorial, I will show you the process of coding the edit functionality for your image gallery. So the most important thing we need to consider when we code the update functionality of our image gallery is to make sure we are deleting old image files when updating the gallery, because we don't want to store old data on our server which will then take up disk space. Let me show you what exactly I'm referring to. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit my gallery. Let me just refresh this so the gallery loads. It's created a sample gallery to show you the demonstration. So the gallery ID is 8020 for this gallery, and we have 3 images in this gallery. Now I'm going to update these images, and I have to make sure that when I'm updating these images, these old images are deleted. So let's see how it works. So let's edit this gallery. So I'll click on the edit option, and then I'll change this to animals. And now I'm going to change the image files. So choose this, change the image file, change it to this, and then change the image file and change it to this. Let me also change the names. So this is a demo of how your edit functionality is going to work. And I was referring to these images. When you update the images, we have to make sure that the images in the gallery folder also get deleted, the old images. So now when I click save, have a look here. So the 3 images were updated, but the old images were now deleted. And now click OK. We have our new gallery, that is animals, with their images. So in this way, we will make sure that we delete the old files before we update the new ones, and also update our gallery. So that's it for the demo. Now let's go ahead and start coding the update functionality for our gallery. We will start with the design, that's the front end of our gallery, which is the model. So I will show you the model code that is required to create a model like this. So let's do that. Sorry guys, before I show you the bootstrap code to build the model, I need to make sure that we are on the same page. I did edit the code here. As you notice, you will see the name of the galleries instead of the gallery IDs. That's because I updated the code in the web API method to get the galleries. So I want you to do the same as well. That's because it's much easier to identify the galleries by their name rather than the gallery IDs, and it makes more sense. So let's go ahead and update the web API method for getting these galleries. So go to your Visual Studio IDE and go to your gallery controller.cs file class, and then for the HTTP get method to get image gallery, all you want to do is you want to return a new object which will return the gallery ID and the gallery title. So you can go ahead and pause this video and just edit this line of code. That's because previously we were returning only the gallery ID and then accessing it in the front end. Now we are going to return the gallery ID and the title. In this way, we will be able to access the title as well. So pause the video and update your code. After you have updated this code here, make sure you go ahead and test it in your front end. So run the application again and then go to your browser and then call the API method. Make sure you are getting the information correct. So as I call the method, I will get the gallery ID and the title. So I'm receiving 2 properties of the gallery object. So if this is what you see in your browser, that means everything is working fine, your code is working fine. Now, the next thing that you want to do is go ahead and update your index.cs HTML file in your home folder, and you will create a new model, and this new model will be your edit gallery model, and this is the code for the model. Pause the video and start coding this. Make sure you use the same naming convention as I have used, because that's what I'm going to do in my JavaScript when I call the IDs of these elements. Once you have completed coding the edit gallery, the next step that you want to do is go ahead and add the edit button to next to this drop down. And to do that, go back to your index.cshtml file, scroll up, and then just before your delete button, create another div and add the following code to add a new button, to append a new button, and add the following on click function to it. Add this code. Once you're done, go ahead and check it on your browser and make sure that the button appears appropriately next to the select option. Now the next thing that we want to do is code the JavaScript method that will load our model with the appropriate gallery information that we select. So for example, we are selecting the car gallery. When we click this, the model should load with the car gallery information. If we are selecting the bird gallery, the model should load with the bird gallery information. And we are going to code this in our next video tutorial. So we will dedicate it only to the JavaScript code. So guys, please like and subscribe to our channel for such kind of content that we provide to you. Thank you for watching once again.